Hey everyone, today I am checking out the Amazon Basic Extendable Tripod, a super lightweight self-stick tripod combo that surprised me more than I expected. First off, let's just open it here, right here, and get it open out. You can actually see the product. So basically it comes with the bag here, and it comes with a few things inside the box as well. So let me just, oh, I think everything's inside the box. Okay, that's the box empty. And yeah, so let's go ahead and see what's inside the bag then. Put those more stuff in the box. Okay, so as I'm unwrapping it, oh, so we get the phone kind of mount and remote, and we get the actual tripod itself. Okay, and it comes with an instruction manual if you want to read along and see what it has to offer. So, first off, my impressions, it looks really good for a decent tripod. It's light, tiny and lightweight, and weighs almost nothing. It's perfect for throwing into the bag as well. As you can see here, I got the bag, and also if you're on the go, you can just pop it in your bag, and off you go. Let me see how you can extend it. I believe it's through this. So yeah. Okay, so basically you untie it, then it just drops down as a stand on the for the floor. So yeah, pretty cool. But the cool part is that it extends all the way up to 162 centimeters. I think that's tall enough for a full body shot, vlogging, and some overhead angles as well. You can get a 1.5-inch screw mount. So the rotating head here, on the top of the tripod, and then the phone holder, which is in this bag here. So not bad. And I think it works with a good selection of cameras, video camera recorders, and a smartphone as well. So that's where this comes in handy. Let me show you the remote now. I'll just pop this up here. So this is the remote, and and I think it comes with a, yeah, so which is great for like group photos or filming yourself without reaching back with your phone. So if you want to connect this up to your phone, for example, with a Bluetooth, I believe you can. I do believe you have to obviously have a screwdriver, something really small that can open up back to place a battery. I'm not entirely sure what battery this holds, but I'm pretty sure it's the CR2032, which is the mostly standard batteries that come with these devices. But yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can mount my device onto the tripod. So now I'm going to show you the tripod in use. Basically, I'm going to mount my phone onto the phone mount, and is usually designed for like light devices. I think for travels though, you can use it for traveling as well. quick shots and everyday content creation. It's honestly a good, really great budget and friendly tool as well. So let me just demonstrate this for demonstration purposes. So you just mount it by extending that a little bit for your phone to attach itself onto, and you just clip it in, and that's it. You can then obviously adjust it to wherever you want it to be. Just be mindful of your buttons. You don't want it to be pressing on your buttons and all of that stuff. But yep, this is what you need to do to mount it. And I think this is quite easy to use. Also, I wanted to demonstrate this as well, is that you can extend it to the length of how you would want it to be adjusted. So obviously, when you first get this, these clips on here are closed, but once you unlock it, you can extend it to wherever you like it. So like here, for example, or you can extend it even further. So yeah, it goes all the way up to how you like it. You just make sure it's in the shot as well. So yeah, as long as you unlock the clips, you can extend it and then lock it again. And yeah, it really extends really long, really high as well. So it's really great for height. So yeah, so that's the height adjustments and how you can adjust the height. But yeah, so if you need something portable, simple, and affordable, this is a solid pick. But yeah, let me know if you want a full test and maybe a comparison in my next video. Until then, peace out.